So I'm going to start this one at the end, which will be the beginning. So we're back from last night's burnouts, the Octane Burnouts. I had to do me 2 burnouts, so that was fun. Didn't get tyres off the first time. Got one popped completely the second time, but it ripped my bumper and light off. So I've got to try and fix that somehow so it doesn't come off with tyre slap. The other side was very close. Car went great. There's a destroyed tyre. Car went great, considering what it is. No real issues. It got a little hot between probably halfway and 3/4. But yeah, I think if I get the thermo fans turned on to run constant and little things like that, because there's no tuner, no nothing, it's just the basic bolt-on mods, which I'll go over at the end of this video. But anyway, apart from that, I apologise for the audio. Still getting used to these mics, and I actually forgot to push play on the GoPros. Yeah, I was having fun. But anyway, Angela got a few videos on her phone, so I apologise. Some of this is just phone video. It's not going to be the greatest quality. I got to get some different cameras if I'm going to do this, because the burnout pad's in the middle of the track. It's away a little bit, but yeah, I need a good zoom camera. GoPros just don't zoom, and trying to transfer phone videos around to keep good quality is just crap. But yeah, anyway, we'll go into unloading the car and the joys I had doing that too.
Can I drive a car?
We're off to a great start. That helps. light's still flashing. I don't know, I bumped the gear stick at some point there and it locked itself into fucking third. It got good wheel speed, but not enough to get new tyres off. And they're still pretty bloody good. What a bugger. So I'm going to take no coolant leaks as a win. Big win. Anyway, we'll give it a minute, line back up and do another one. What do you reckon, kids? Oh yeah, what do you reckon?
What?
Was it fun? The skids?
No.
No.
Tired, that's
Oh, you're tired. You suck. Savannah? Angela? Come on, don't get on camera shy now. You all said you had fun. They had fun watching the pro cars. Not so much the territory, but hey. They had fun watching the pro cars. It drove onto the trailer, so it doesn't look like it's leaking anything. Blew a tyre, ripped the rear bar off, ripped the light out. I'm gonna have to figure out, because it's twice it's done that now, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to freaking bolt the damn things on so they don't do that. So yeah, that'll be the end of this video. I've had enough now. I'm going home, long drive home, and I'm thirsty and hungry. So I'll see you later. Sorry, back out the back. Let's do a quick rundown on what's been done so far, just to sum it up for anyone that hasn't watched it. It was an SY, done the SY2 front end. It's got dynamic 17 by, I think they're positive 10 or 0 offset front. Cut the rear bumper a little, but other than that, it's pretty much just a normal territory. Red headlights, they look cool in the smoke at night. You have to have a tow strap now at Octane Burnouts, so it's got that. Underneath we got the obvious burnout car thing, which seems to be stick the pot out the bonnet. Performance wise, yeah, so it's got the extractors, and then it's got 2.5 inch dual into the NASCAR style boom tube. Lots and lots of maintenance, so it's got new engine mounts, all new gaskets and seals and hoses, all new gates hoses. We've done a metal overflow, we've done the catch can setup. What else performance wise? So we've got the Mace intake plenum spaces. It's one there, one against the block. Everything was clean, so it is a pretty spotless car. No oil leaks. Got the underdrive pulley, thicker radiator, and the belt's obviously been rerun differently for the AC delete. I didn't want to use the reverse tensioners because they're a bloody rip-off, but use the standard tensioner with a smaller pulley, which actually comes off an SS. All metal, obviously, no plastic crap. I don't know if I said the bigger radiator, but bigger radiator. Got to do a bigger tank eventually. But yeah, nothing major there. All pretty simple. Oh, line locker. So rear brakes on, rear brakes off. Simple as that. So I could use that for different sporting, different racing events if I need to. I think I said battery isolator. Anyway, that's that. So inside is not much at all. Of burnt out rims. SAS steering wheel, boss kit, SAS seat, SAS harness. It's got whip shifter. They're a bit of a novelty. I don't know, I love them. They just feel so nice and look so cool. It's got all push button ignition and start and stuff, which I haven't finished hooking up yet. Custom mount to mount the seat, obviously. Pretty much done inside. Still want to clean it up eventually. Oh, it's got carbon fibre wrap and stuff, but just that's nor here nor there. SY2 front suspension. So when I converted it to rear wheel drive, we removed the diff, drive shafts, done the SY2 front ball joint set up, so there's none of that issue. Again, all maintenance, so new radius arms, new tie rod ends, new bushes. The upper arms are Super Pro with KYB ball joints, lowered king springs, so they're the SL lowered king springs, the lowest you can get for actual territory shocks anyway. Yeah, that sums up that. Obviously removing the diff, and it's got a welded transfer case, so I wanted the 6-speed. I wanted the ZF 6-speed because it's better geared, and yeah, so unless I went to a Falcon one and then went to all the effort of computers and crap to try and get it to run in the territory, it was just easier to weld up the transfer case, leave it in there, and that converts it to rear wheel drive, remove all the front stuff. Rear is lowered Falcon springs, SSLs. It sits on the bump stops, as you can see. They're knockoff Super Pro bump stops. Again, all new Super Pro bushes. A lot of Nolithane bushes too, but that's just because I had them laying around from wrecking out cars. It's got adjustable camber arms. I didn't reinforce them. I don't think I need to in a burnout car. It's not going off-road like the other ones. What else we got in there? Obviously the diff is a 410 from SX. It's welded. Just welded that up. Yeah, I still got to get some Falcon shocks because the territory ones, they're petters as well. But they're just too much travel, and the springs pretty much fall out every time you check the car out to change tyres. Lots of rubber hanging around still, as you can see. I might have to make up some, like, I don't know, some guards or something to stop it, internal guards to stop it just ending up everywhere. So if you hung around this long, I thought I'd give you a quick look at what's coming up. And I'm enjoying my beer like I always do. Here we go. Turbo. Finally doing a turbo conversion on one. And that looks better sticking out the bonnet than the damn pod filter did. Oh, and we got a name. So they asked me the name of the car when I was there, what plates are on it, and decided that'd be a pretty cool name. Lucifer. Goes with the lights. The red lights show up cool in the smoke, especially at night. But yeah, nothing too. It's only been a week since the burnout, so I've just sort of tacked everything in place at the moment. Started running some lines, just seeing how it all works. It's only a burnout car, no intercooler. Still got to get the Turbo Smart wastegate on, big 50 mils, shoot out the bonnet. The exhaust is still going to go normal down to the boom tube. And yeah, got the fuel system to do, and it's a lot of work. If you want to make it something cool. But anyway, that's all coming up in a future video, not this one. So keep an eye and subscribe and like and all of that.